as soon as Ngāti Rārua got here, we had to cope with the flooding, and remembering that we didn't have the banks back in those days. And because of that, and because this was the reserve, we do know that some Ngāti Rārua whānau leased land outside of the pā because their crops were safe. But if you were living down the pā, you'd lose all of your potatoes, you'd lose all your barley, all the crops, because the flooding was quite rampant back then. So not only did you have the flooding, but then after the flooding, you had the typhoid that came after that. And so we lost a lot of our people.
I have memories of it. I don't know if at the time I was terrified or anything. I don't recall being scared, but I do recall one of my aunties. This is the time when they had the beehive hairdos. And I can remember one of them putting me up on top of a wardrobe. And I can remember seeing a chook floating around in the water. And then I don't remember getting out of the house or anything, but I can remember being in a boat with a little motor on the back, going past my auntie's kitchen window at eye level with a kitchen window, and being handed up to an army truck on top of the bridge and somebody lifting me up onto this bridge. Now I think, thank God I was only a little kid, because when we came back, the house was like just full of mud and silt and dead animals through the house and things. You know, now I look at it and I think, thank God I was only a little kid and I didn't have to clean that bloody mess up, but oh, it was disgusting and smelly.
I remember when we were doing the claim, seeing letters written in the 20s and 30s, trying to get resources back from that fund to be able to support whānau here in the pā, because they were impacted not only with their health, because we couldn't, at one stage, they were sending us to get health services from Waikawa and wouldn't let us in Te Wairau, which is kind of a lot closer. I remember seeing letters from Alfori asking for resources to help bury his cousins, asking for food to be able to service all of the whānau from the pā. Whether it's flour, whether it's, you know, whatever it is, clothing, we had to go like this to go and get our own resources to be able to support our own whānau down the pā.